This is AI News 5 Minutes. Welcome. Librarians across America are launching something totally unexpected. They're hosting workshops called Avoiding AI, and honestly, they're going viral. We're talking packed rooms, waiting lists, people desperate to learn how to disconnect from artificial intelligence. This isn't some fringe movement either. Major library systems in New York, California, Texas, and beyond are all jumping on board. Why is this happening right now? People are exhausted. They're tired of AI recommendations, algorithmic feeds, and constant data collection. They want their lives back. These workshops teach practical strategies for opting out of AI systems. You'll learn how to disable smart features on your devices. You'll discover privacy settings you didn't know existed. Librarians are showing people how to use old-school methods again. Remember paper maps? Actual phone calls? Writing things down in notebooks? These skills are making a comeback. What's really fascinating is the demographic. It's not just older folks trying to avoid tech. Young people are showing up too. Gen Z attendees are learning how to live with less algorithmic influence. Parents want to protect their kids from AI tracking. The movement reflects genuine consumer backlash against big tech integration everywhere. Libraries have become these sanctuaries of analog resistance. It's a powerful trend that's catching mainstream attention. Major news outlets are covering these workshops. Social media is buzzing about the irony of promoting avoiding AI online. But people don't care about the contradiction. They just want control back. Now, let's shift gears to something critical. A power outage in Northern Virginia just exposed a massive vulnerability. A single downed power line knocked out AI data centers serving millions. The incident revealed that our AI infrastructure isn't prepared for grid disruptions. This is breaking news that should concern everyone. AI data centers demand enormous amounts of electricity. They're power-hungry machines processing billions of requests daily, but they lack proper backup systems. When the grid goes down, everything goes down. Backup generators failed. Cooling systems malfunctioned. Data centers overheated. The outage lasted 8 hours. 8 hours of disrupted AI services across the East Coast. Hospitals, businesses, and emergency services all felt the impact. Here's what's scary. AI computing demands are surging nationwide. More data centers are being built constantly. But infrastructure upgrades aren't keeping pace. We're building AI systems faster than we're building the power systems to support them. Engineers are warning about this mismatch. The Virginia incident is a wake-up call. We need redundancy. We need better backup power. We need distributed data centers, not concentrated ones. This vulnerability could have serious consequences if it happens again. Experts are calling for immediate infrastructure investment. Speaking of investment, Reid Hoffman's new AI lab just made headlines. It's called Prentice, and it's ambitious. Hoffman and Mark Pincus are co-founding this laboratory together. They're raising $100 million. That's serious funding for serious ambitions. What's their bet? They believe automating routine computer tasks will be AI's biggest commercial opportunity. Think about your workday. You probably spend hours on repetitive tasks, copying data between systems, formatting documents, writing routine emails, scheduling meetings. Prentice wants AI to handle all of that. Their technology would watch what you do, learn your patterns, and then automate those tasks automatically. This could be genuinely transformative for productivity. Workers could focus on creative, strategic work instead of repetitive drudgery. But it also raises questions about job displacement. If AI handles routine tasks, what happens to people doing routine work? Hoffman's team says this creates opportunities for higher value work. Time will tell if that's accurate. The funding rounds are underway. Several major venture capital firms are interested. Expect announcements soon about who's backing this venture. So there you have it. Libraries fighting AI, data centers vulnerable to outages, and massive new funding for automation tools. 3 stories showing us AI's complex reality. The technology brings benefits and challenges simultaneously. We're seeing public resistance, infrastructure risks, and aggressive commercial expansion all at once. That's your AI news for today, July 26th. Thanks for watching. I'm your AI news host. See you tomorrow.